Hi guys, my name is Edward, and today we'll go through the step-by-step process of drawing realistic fur for dogs. This tutorial is perfect if you are interested in animal portraits and want to draw your own fur babies at home. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a beginner, I will help you master the techniques needed in the easiest way possible. So let's get started. As we go along the tutorial, prepare your supplies in advance. Here's the list of art materials we recommend for this project. Before you start, make sure to select the right reference. Consider factors like pose, lighting, and colors. A well-chosen reference will make your process smoother. Let's start by sketching out your furry dog using your monochrome shading pencil 2H. Using your reference, try to capture the general shape and pose of the dog. Take notice of how the fur flows through the dog's body. This will be our guide once we apply watercolor with the hatching technique. Once you're satisfied with your sketch, use the evening gray color from the watercolor brush markers Spring Garden set to trace and outline the dog. Now let's dive into the main painting technique, hatching. It's all about shading with closely drawn parallel lines. You'll notice I've already used this technique in some areas of the dog's body. The dog I'm painting here is a golden retriever. To get the main color of the dog, I'm mixing 3 colors from the watercolor brush markers Spring Garden set. Simply fill your watercolor brush with water and use it to mix these colors. Using limeade from the same set, apply highlights first to the dog's head and main body. After that, make shadows by applying your mixed colors to the dog's head, following the first direction from your pencil sketch. Remember, parallel lines closely drawn together will create your desired fur effect. Next, give the dog a light wash of brown, gradually adjusting the tone by adding water. After that, layer over the light wash and apply the hatching technique again. You don't have to cover the whole dog in hatching lines. Leave out the parts where there are highlights or where the dog's fur is shiny. Dilute rubellite watercolor lightly to color the tongue and gradually darken. Use evening gray for the mouth, and use a lighter tone for the nose. To make darker fur parts, use evening gray with your brown colors, employ the hatching technique again and let dry. Finally, dilute your warm sunshine brush marker for spaces between hatchings and apply it straight from the brush. Adjust your colors as needed and make a new batch if necessary. As finishing touches, use a white must-have gel pen to add whiskers and highlights. We've completed our tutorial. I hope you've been able to follow along with our wonderful lesson today. Make sure to practice the hatching technique, as it's a versatile method for drawing and painting. Thank you for tuning in, and please don't forget to share your fur-tastic artwork with us.